Hi everybody, Miss Cristina here, and I'll be showing you how to create fireworks in a jar. To all the parents watching, don't worry, no real explosives will be included. To create your fireworks, you will need a glass jar, a bowl, warm water, vegetable oil, food coloring, a tablespoon, and a fork. Before we get started, let's learn about the science at work behind this activity. As you look at the example picture, notice how the vegetable oil and water do not mix together. But why don't oil and water mix if they are both liquids? This is because of density. Density is the measure of the mass of an object per unit volume, which is just a fancy way of describing the weight of a liquid. When you pour in the vegetable oil, the oil floats on top of the water as a separate layer. This happens because vegetable oil is less dense or lighter than water. Then, the food coloring sinks down and dissolves in water, but not in the vegetable oil. This happens because food coloring is denser or heavier than vegetable oil, and it is water soluble, meaning it will only dissolve with the water. The oil is what helps slow down the food coloring from mixing with the water. As the food coloring sinks into the water, the droplets will dissolve and release the tiny explosions, which creates the effects of fireworks in a jar. Now that we understand how it works, let's begin. Fill the jar 3/4 full with warm water. Next, in the bowl, add 4 tablespoons of oil. Now we're going to add a few drops of food coloring in various colors to the oil. I'm going to start with blue. Then I'll add the red. And last, I'm going to add yellow. Now you want to take your fork and lightly mix the food coloring until small droplets start to form. Just like that. Next, we're going to take our oil and food coloring and slowly pour it into the jar. Move it closer so you can see. Now watch closely as the food coloring starts to dissolve and explode in the water, creating a fireworks effect. Let's take a closer look at the tiny explosions one more time. And there you go, fireworks in a jar. Thanks for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed it. And make sure you sign up for our summer challenge to win cool prizes just for reading books and doing fun activities. You can sign up on our website at lvccld.org or by visiting us at one of our branches. See you next time. Bye.